Hello everyone. In our rapidly evolving digital world, the way our personal data is collected, processed and protected has become a paramount concern. Enter the Digital Personal Data Protection Bill of 2023, a significant step towards safeguarding your digital identity and your privacy. In the famous Mylsamy case, the Supreme Court expressed the need for the enactment of personal data protection law. After a journey of about 6 long years, India seems to be at the cusp of having such a law. Just a few days ago, a historic moment unfolded in the Indian Parliament. The Digital Personal Data Protection Bill 2023 was passed with resounding support. The Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha unitedly recognized the importance of this legislation and passed it by a means of a voice vote. But what's next? The bill will soon be making its way to the President's desk for her assent. Once she gives the green light, it will officially become the Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023. Let's dive into the heart of this bill and understand its key provisions. Now, the bill sets forth essential norms for processing digital data by companies, establishing a mechanism to resolve disputes, and creating a Data Protection Board of India to oversee these operations. However, it's also important to note that the bill strikes a delicate balance between individual privacy and the data processing needs. Notably, for the first time, it acknowledges women in the parliamentary lawmaking by using the word she instead of he. The centerpiece of this bill is the concept of consent. Personal data can only be processed after obtaining the consent of the data principal, that's you. However, there are specific situations such as the government agencies providing licenses or welfare benefits where data can be processed without your explicit consent. Now let's explore the broader goals of this bill. The bill aims to introduce a data protection law with minimal disruption while simultaneously enhancing the ease of living and the ease of doing business. Furthermore, it is designed to fuel India's digital economy and foster its innovation ecosystem. The Digital Personal Data Protection Bill 2023 is all about empowering you, the individual. You have the right to access information about how your personal data is processed, the right to correct or erase that data, and the right to seek the grievance redressal. And in a thoughtful provision, you even have the right to nominate someone to exercise these rights on your behalf in case of any incapacity or demise. The bill is also conscious of the younger generation to a larger extent. It takes into account the processing of children's personal data. There are exemptions and regulations in place to ensure that the responsible handling of data concerning children is done. The move especially benefits the online education sector and the organizations working with children in need. And finally, let's talk about the data transfer beyond borders. The bill empowers the central government to regulate the transfer of personal data to the other countries. It ensures that if a foreign law provides better protection, it takes precedence. So as we journey into this digital age, the Digital Personal Data Protection Bill 2023 stands as a guardian to your privacy, a facilitator of innovation, and a blueprint for a safer, smarter digital India. Together, let's embrace this new era of digital rights and responsibilities. Thank you so much for watching. Stay informed, stay empowered. Wishing all of you a very, very happy Independence Day.